So hello everyone, I am Kumar Advani, data science intern and business analytics intern at the Spark Foundation. So I am working on the student data set as the task one. So it can be found using this link. So let's begin what we will do here. So we will predict the percentage of marks that the student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they studied. So simply we can see that this is a simple linear regression problem as there involves two variables. So one is a dependent variable, that is a scores, and one is independent variable, that is hours, because based on hours we'll predict the scores. So yeah, here we are importing all the libraries. You can see. Next there is URL, means we are fetching the data from this URL directly. So we are using pd.read CSV, then passing the URL in it, and this is how the data is imported. Now this is our data set. What it looks like, there is an hours and there are scores. So based on these hours, we are predicting the scores. We need to predict for some scores and we can predict it. So for that, we will simply split the data. So now I am taking the data that is in the X data set.ilog. So means this will select this row, excluding the last column. So hours will be selected. Hours column will be selected completely. And in Y, the other column will be selected. Yeah, you can see this selected in X from 2.5 to 7.8 in the form of array. Similarly, in the Y from 21 to 86. Now we are based on this, we are directly fitting the model. Means first we are splitting this. You can see here. What we are doing here is basically from the sklearn, we are from the model selection, we are importing train class split. So what this will do is split our data into four parts. We have defined X train, X test, Y train, Y test. And we have defined test size as 0.2, means we will be testing on the 20% of the data, and rest 80% of the data we will be using for training purpose. So here we are directly fitting the model into the linear regression. So we have got we have imported the linear regression model, then fitting it our data in that model. Simply regression.fit X train and Y train. Now plotting that graph between the X variable and Y variable. So this is how the graph look like. You can see scatter plot look like. Now we are making a line, means to see the best fit, how many points are fitting completely on the line. So you can see that not most of the points are fitting exactly, but yeah, it's a linear model. You can see by this line they are in the linear manner. Now what we want is making predictions based on our values. We want some predictions to be there. So yeah, we are making prediction. So first we are printing X test, that is our testing data, and with the help of that we are defining Y predict, means making the prediction, that is Y predict. You can see based on that test we are predicting this. So our prediction is this. Now we need to predict, that is our problem, we need to predict for hours 9.25. So simply we are giving taking a variable hours as 9.25 and making a variable own predict inside that regression predict dot hours, predict that hours. You can see this, and we are printing in the form of number of hours and predicted score. So number of hours is 9.25 and the predicted score will be 93.69, or you can say 93. So this was our result for the first task. And ultimately after then evaluating the model from SQL and import matrix, and we are finding that how much absolute error was there. Simply the error was 4.18%. 4.18. So this was our first problem. So thank you and provide your wonderful feedback. And also if there are suggestions, so please write in the comment section. And thank you.